Hello everyone! By now you are likely familiar with the Hollywood Hoard of Lincoln Cents. If not, I'll have a link in the description to an introduction video about this amazing hoard of over 100 boxes of Lincoln Cents acquired over 40 years ago from a Los Angeles area bank that no longer exists. Although most of the boxes contained in this hoard were uncirculated bank-wrapped rolls of Lincoln Cents, some of the boxes had circulated rolls, and from time to time, we've now been searching these on my channel live. We've gone through 3 of those boxes so far, and you can watch those back on live streams at any time. In this hoard of over 100 boxes, which I have pictured right here, one of the boxes was particularly special, and that is this box right here that we have under the camera. This box here is a sealed box from the bank. That seal is still intact. That tape, it's a little damaged, but it's not yet where we can open it. It is still sealed. Presumably being sealed for around the last 45 years or so. Several of the boxes in this hoard were sealed, and like the others, we assumed this one would be uncirculated rolls from the mid-1970s or so, just like many of the other boxes that we came across. Upon closer inspection, though, when attempting to ascertain the date of the coins inside, it was immediately clear this box was a bit different. Let me jump back a little bit, though, because, again, there were several boxes that were sealed boxes from this hoard, and on those, there's a seam on the side of the box that you can just kind of pry open just enough, still keeping the seal intact, to where you can see inside and even see the dates on the end of the rolls. So I tried to do that, and I tried to get a photo of that so you could see exactly what we saw, and this was the best one I could get right there. That's the best photo I could get. And this quick peek inside the side of this box, we see that they are not bank-wrapped rolls, but those appear to be hand-rolled, customer-wrapped rolls. So really excited to get this box open and get into these rolls. I have been saving this box for a while now, saving it for like maybe a special occasion, and it just so happens that this Saturday is my birthday. So I figured, why not? That'll be as good a time as any to open this one up. I'm gonna break this seal right here and get into it. Who knows what we'll find exactly. Hopefully it really will be true customer wrapped rolls from the 1970s that were turned into the bank and then got sealed up in this box and been sitting here for 45 years or so. That would be great. Probably would find plenty of older coins, maybe lots of older wheat cents. It'd be a lot of fun. Another theory is it could just be, maybe a bank employee one day dropped a whole bunch of brand new bank wrapped rolls and then had to re-roll them in some hand wrapped paper rolls and then put them back in the box and seal them. You know what? We're really not going to know until we open these up, and we're going to do that again live here on my channel this Saturday, May 21st, 2022. Noon Pacific time. Hope you guys can all join us for some fun as we see what's in the box. What's in the box? Just as a reminder, we also have several boxes remaining from this hoard of bank-wrapped circulated rolls still. We're going to be opening those on future live streams as well. So either way, you're going to want to make sure you're subscribed to join us in seeing what's in those boxes as we get to those someday too. Thanks again for all your support, and I hope to see plenty of you on Saturday as we crack this one open and hopefully find something fun. Thanks again, everybody.